Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English with Podcast channel, where learning English is natural, easy, and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners out there. It is absolutely fantastic to be here with you today.
I am so glad you're here, Leo. You know, I was just thinking this morning about how the tiniest things, like that very first sip of morning coffee, can completely transform your entire day.
Oh, you hit the nail on the head there. For me, just the rich aroma of fresh coffee drifting through the kitchen is the absolute best motivation to get out of bed.
It really is pure bliss. Wrapping your hands around a warm cup just makes the whole world feel a bit more peaceful and calm.
Exactly. It gives you a few quiet, uninterrupted minutes to center yourself before the crazy, busy day officially begins.
Yes, and there is nothing quite like the victory of making a coffee that tastes exactly the way you like it. Do you prefer yours with a splash of milk or completely black?
I like it simple, just a little bit of milk and absolutely no sugar. What about you, Emma?
I like it dark, bold, and strong. It wakes up my brain instantly and gives me the perfect burst of energy.
That's great. It's funny how such a small, everyday drink can bring a massive smile to your face.
It really does. It's one of those beautiful mini moments that makes life feel so much lighter. And honestly, another thing I live for is a weekend morning with absolutely no alarm set.
Oh, that is pure magic. Waking up naturally as the soft sunshine streams into the room is an incredible feeling.
I completely agree. No loud, aggressive alarm sounds shocking you out of a wonderful dream.
Yes, you can just open your eyes slowly, stretch, and realize you have nowhere to rush to.
That realization is unmatched. You can just stay under the cozy blankets and fully relax. I confess, I sometimes linger there for an extra 20 minutes just soaking in the warmth.
Me too. It feels like a little taste of luxury that doesn't cost a single penny.
So true. It sets such a positive, happy tone for the rest of your weekend. Do you usually whip up a big breakfast on those mornings, Leo?
Sometimes I love to. There's something so comforting about making fresh eggs and warm, crispy toast when you aren't in a hurry.
Oh, the scent of warm toast is definitely another top-tier simple pleasure.
Yes, especially when you see some sweet butter melting right on top of it.
Wow, my stomach is literally growling just thinking about it now.
Me too. Great food always injects so much happiness into an ordinary day. And speaking of weekends, I also absolutely love changing into ultra-comfortable clothes.
Oh, defined, yes. Soft sweatpants and a giant loose t-shirt are the ultimate uniform for relaxation.
Exactly. Shutting your tight work clothes after a long, tiring day is the best feeling in the world.
I agree completely. The second I walk through my front door, the very first thing I do is kick off my heavy shoes.
That feels incredibly liberating. It's like you are physically leaving all your stress outside the house.
Precisely. Your home instantly turns into a sanctuary of pure comfort. And if you step into a hot shower right after an exhausting day, it gets even better.
Oh, without a doubt. The hot water feels like it's literally washing away all the fatigue from your muscles.
I love standing there, closing my eyes and just letting the water run. It genuinely feels like a mini vacation for both your body and your mind.
Yes, exactly. You walk into the shower feeling completely drained and you step out feeling like a brand new person. It's amazing how a little water can reset your energy so quickly.
I always feel so refreshed and ready to enjoy a peaceful evening. That combination of being clean and slipping into fresh pajamas is simply unmatched.
Yes, especially when the sheets on your bed are also freshly washed.
Oh, that is a double win. Crisp pajamas and fresh sheets are a dream combo. It makes you drift off into the deepest, most peaceful sleep.
Truly, these small habits don't seem like a big deal on their own, but they completely lift your mood.
They really do. And it feels even more rewarding when you've had a highly productive day right before it.
Oh yes, that feeling when you check off every single thing you set out to do. Looking down at your to-do list and seeing all those tasks crossed off is incredibly satisfying.
It really is. Do you prefer using a classic paper list or a digital app on your phone?
I'm old school. I prefer a paper list. Physically crossing things out with a pen feels 1,000 times better.
I'm with you on that. There is something tactile and special about the motion of drawing a line through a finished task.
Yes, it gives you a real sense of personal achievement. Even tiny goals like decluttering a room or organizing a messy shelf feels phenomenal.
It does. It brings instant order to your environment and makes your living space feel so inviting. A clean environment definitely paves the way for a calm and peaceful mind.
Exactly. I always feel an instant wave of relaxation when my living room is neat. Do you find it easy to stay organized during a chaotic week, Emma?
To be completely honest, it can be a real struggle sometimes when schedules get crazy.
That is completely normal and human, but when you finally find the time to do it, the mental reward is wonderful.
Yes, it feels like a total fresh start and gives you a burst of renewed focus.
So true. You know, another thing that gives me an incredible amount of positive energy is a simple human interaction.
Oh, and what way?
Like catching up with a close friend, but also just smiling warmly at a stranger on the street and having them smile right back at you.
Ah, those moments are beautiful. It instantly makes the entire world feel like a much friendlier place.
Exactly. It's this tiny, silent connection with another human being. It beautifully reminds us that we're all in this together, sharing the same world.
Yes, sometimes a kind smile from a complete stranger can totally turn a terrible day around. Has that ever happened to you, Leo?
It actually has. One day I was walking down the street feeling extremely stressed about a work deadline, and an elderly man just looked at me and gave me the warmest, kindest smile.
Wow, that is incredibly sweet. Did it instantly cheer you up?
It really did. It put things into perspective and made me realize that my current problems weren't the end of the world.
That is beautiful. Making someone smile is an amazing gift. It costs absolutely nothing, but it can mean the absolute world to someone who is secretly going through a tough time.
I couldn't agree more, and it honestly feels just as wonderful to give a genuine smile as it does to receive one.
Yes, exactly. Hey, Leo, speaking of making people smile, can I share something quick with our listeners?
Of course, Emma, go right ahead.
If you are thoroughly enjoying this conversation today, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who is also on their journey to learning English.
That's awesome. And hey, if you are still listening right now, type the word coffee in the comments section below.
Love it. Let's see exactly how many of our listeners appreciate a great cup of coffee as much as we do.
Yes, it's going to be highly entertaining to look through the comments. We are incredibly lucky to have such a supportive community here.
We really are. Surrounding yourself with supportive people is easily one of life's greatest blessings.
It truly is. Just knowing that someone has your back gives you a profound sense of safety and confidence.
Yes, friends who truly listen to you and genuinely celebrate your victories are incredibly precious. And it is a magical feeling when you feel completely understood by someone.
You mean those moments where you don't even have to finish your sentence?
Yes, they just look at you and read your mind instantly.
That is the best feeling ever. It highlights a very deep, rare, and special bond.
It takes time and effort to nurture those kinds of relationships, but they are worth everything.
Completely. I absolutely love having long, meaningful late-night conversations with those kinds of friends. Do you usually dive into deep topics or keep things light and funny?
Honestly, a perfect mix of both. We can be discussing the literal meaning of life one minute and then crying laughing over a silly joke the next.
That is the ultimate balance. It keeps the relationship strong, real, and full of joy.
Yes, and to truly enjoy those conversations, it is so crucial to put the phones away.
Oh, absolutely. Taking an intentional break from social media is vital for genuine connection. Is it tough for you to disconnect from your screen, Emma?
Sometimes it can be, simply because we are so hardwired to constantly check for updates.
I know exactly what you mean. We are always unconsciously hunting for new messages or notifications. But whenever I leave my phone in a completely different room, I feel this deep sense of mental peace.
It allows you to be fully present in the current moment and truly appreciate your surroundings.
Exactly. You actually notice the ambient sounds, the beautiful lighting, and the people right in front of you.
Although I must admit, scrolling through a few funny videos on my phone can be a fantastic little brain break too.
Oh, definitely. Laughter is the absolute best medicine for a stressful day. A hilarious video of a cute animal never fails to make me laugh, no matter what kind of mood I'm in.
Yes, it delivers a quick dose of pure happiness in just a few seconds, so a little bit of screen time is perfectly fine, as long as it brings genuine joy.
Exactly. It's all about balance. Now, another stellar way to completely unwind is getting lost in a good book.
Oh yes, immersing yourself in a wonderful story is like traveling the universe without moving an inch. I love finding a book that is so gripping you literally cannot put it down. What genres do you gravitate toward the most?
I am a huge fan of mystery thrillers and fascinating historical books that keep me completely hooked.
That sounds awesome. I personally prefer grand adventure stories or nonfiction books that teach me practical new things. Reading is such a beautiful, rewarding hobby. It effortlessly expands your mind and your vocabulary.
Yes, and it's a brilliant gateway to discovering new interests or exploring a totally different culture. Speaking of interests, have you picked up any new hobbies recently, Emma?
I actually have. I started doing some simple, small-scale gardening on my balcony.
Wow, that is wonderful. What do you have growing out there?
Just a few vibrant green plants and some fresh herbs like basil and mint for cooking.
Oh, that is excellent. Brushing past fresh herbs while you're cooking must smell incredible.
It really is amazing, and watching those tiny green shoots grow just a little bit every single day is deeply rewarding.
It beautifully connects you with nature, even when you live right in the middle of a bustling city.
Yes, immersing ourselves in nature is so vital for our overall well-being. I love taking long, leisurely walks in the park when the weather is warm and pleasant.
Strolling among the trees and breathing in the fresh air is hands down the best way to clear your mind. It forces you to slow down and appreciate the raw beauty of the world.
We spend so much time staring blankly at screens that we completely forget to look up at the trees and the sky.
That is so incredibly true. Nature always serves as a gentle reminder to be deeply grateful for the present moment.
It really does. And speaking of staying present and practicing your English, our listeners can do exactly that right now with English with Podcasts AI.
Oh yes, our AI assistant is an incredibly smart, intuitive tool to chat with and practice your conversational English 24/7. It gives you a flawless opportunity to instantly put the vocabulary you learned with us today into practice.
It is an absolutely essential tool to help you unlock English fluency much faster.
Exactly. You can talk about your daily routine, your favorite hobbies, or literally anything you want. And the direct link to access it is right down in the video description.
That is fantastic. It is like having a friendly native conversation partner right in your pocket at all times.
Yes, it makes the entire learning process feel completely relaxed and natural.
I couldn't agree more. Now, Leo, let's talk about another top-tier feeling, receiving totally unexpected good news.
Oh, that is the ultimate pleasant surprise. Your phone rings or you open an inbox and there is something wonderful waiting for you.
Yes, like finding out you aced a difficult exam or getting a sweet random message from an old friend you haven't seen in years.
It instantly makes your heart feel so light and happy. It can turn a completely mundane, boring day into an immediate celebration.
Yes, you just want to jump for joy and share the excitement with everyone. I always love calling my closest friends to share good news. It amplifies the joy.
Absolutely. Joy is always meant to be shared with the people we love. And even tiny surprises like finding forgotten money in an old winter coat pocket are fantastic.
Oh, that is an absolute classic. You slide your hand into the pocket and pull out some cash you completely forgot existed.
It honestly feels like an unexpected free gift from your past self.
Yes, exactly. It always puts a massive smile on my face. Those little moments have a beautiful way of bringing back happy memories of other great times.
Reflecting on happy memories is another gorgeous way to enrich the present moment.
Yes, whether it's flipping through old photographs or laughing about funny moments from years ago, it reminds us of just how much goodness we have experienced in our journeys.
And it helps us stay incredibly positive and optimistic about the future too.
Exactly. Life will always have its fair share of challenges, but it also contains an abundance of beautiful, simple moments. We just need to open our eyes and actively appreciate them every single day.
Well said, Emma. This conversation has been incredibly pleasant, warm, and relaxing.
I agree completely, Leo. I truly hope our listeners enjoyed it just as much as we did and feel inspired to notice the small things making life better today.
Me too. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know your personal favorite simple pleasures.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.